Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Audi A3 and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing installation on the taillights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. Link for the product will be in the description below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight lenses. So to prep them, apply Slip Solution onto the lens, and then with the clean microfiber towel, just start removing any contaminants that the taillight may have. So we're going to start by installing the film on this section of the taillight. So for this piece, just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution onto the tint film. And all you need to do is just align it on this edge here first, and then it should fall into place, and then we'll work our way on installing the rest of the film. So just place the film and align it right on the edge, and it should just fall into place. This film here will just go tucked in underneath the taillight here. So just focus on aligning this section and making sure it's aligned on the top. Now that we have this section aligned, just carefully lift the film, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film, and then start tacking this section down. And make sure you're removing any solution behind the film, that way we avoid having any water bubbles. Okay, now that we secured this section, we're just working with the rest of the film here. So just make sure everything is still aligned. And then just to help it tack down faster, we're just going to lift it and apply tack solution. Place it back, make sure it's still aligned. Hold it in position and just tack down the film. And just make sure there's no water bubbles behind the film on this section that we just installed. And now we're just going to finish sealing off the tint on the bottom half here. So to seal it, all you need to do is just apply tack solution underneath the film, add a little bit of heat, and then with our microfiber towel, we're just going to help the film sit to the curve here. So apply tack solution, grab a heat gun, and start applying heat around the edge here. And then just wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and then just start tacking down. And what the microfiber towel is doing is just helping absorb any solution that comes from underneath the film. And with the squeegee, we're just helping it tack down. And that's pretty much it. And once you're done installing this piece, we can move on and installing the last section here. So now we're moving on to this section. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution onto the tint film. And with this one, we're going to start by aligning the film on this section of the taillight first. So just place it and align it right on the edge. Make sure everything's aligned on the top and then the lower section. So that should be good. And now we're just going to work on tacking down this section here. So just lift the film, apply tack solution, hold it in position, and start tacking it down. Okay, and now that we secured this piece, all we need to do is just stretch the film to reach it to this end. So with this one, you are going to notice that the taillight has this body line design right in the middle section. Around this area here, we're just going to help the film stretch down. That way we remove all the fingers that come up around this section. To do that, just apply Slip Solution, place it back down, make sure this area is dry, that way we have better grip when we stretch the film. And then stretch the film, make sure we're stretching on the bottom as well. So bottom and towards the top. We stretch the film up to this edge here, and now we need to tack down the film. So to tack it down, start applying tack solution on top of the film, and with your squeegee, lightly start squeegeeing the film down. And just take your time when you're tacking down the film. And this one, we will have excess material here. That excess material will just be tucked in underneath the taillight here. Okay, and now to remove these fingers that are appearing on the bottom and on the top half of the taillight, we're just going to apply tack solution on both ends and then heat up the area and then tack it down like how we did it with this section here. So tack solution, heat up the area, and then we'll use our microfiber towel and our squeegee, remove the fingers. So wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and start tacking the fingers down. And you just rinse and repeat this step until you remove all the fingers. And then once you're done removing all the fingers, the last thing to do would be to post heat the film. So you will post heat this whole section and this section here. So now we can move on to post heating the film. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation is post heating the whole film. So to post heat, all we're doing is just applying Tack Solution all around the film, especially on the edges, just to make sure we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it doesn't lift over time. And then once we apply Tack Solution, we're going to use our heat gun to heat up the tint film, and then with our microfiber towel we're just going to go around the film to help absorb any solution that's still coming off the edges. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2023 Audi A3. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, that way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.